Area of a square. You didn't get it? Area of a square. You are in the 6th grade right now. 4 sides.
1 minute. Good. Go inside.
Good morning, Trellis. I'm Jitesh.
Good morning, Trellis. I am Sai Sita. Good morning, Trellis. This is Bouncy Action. Can you guess what the name of our project? Our project name is the Math Shapes. Okay. Now we are going to explain about the math shapes. This is triangle.
3 equal sides and 3 corners.
The word tri means 3. It is an interior angle. Next. So it is called the triangle. Square. This is the closed figure with 4 equal sides, which is called square. Oval, and it has 4 corners. Oval.
Oval is a stretched circle with no corners and equal sides.
This is pentagon. The word penta means 5. It has 5 equal sides and 5 corners. So it is called pentagon. Octagon.
Octagon has 8 equal sides.
The word octa means 8, so it is called octagon. This is rectangle. A rectangle is a structured in square. The opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. And same like the square, it has 4 corners and 4 sides. Circle. Circle has no sides and edges. This is measured in diameter. Excellent.
Hexagon has 6
6
shapes, 6
equal
sides.
sides. The word hexa means 6. So it is called hexagon. Thank you. Hi, this is Sushant from 6th class in the Trellis school. Hi, this is Jatin. I am studying in 6th grade in the Trellis school. So today our topic is types of angles. Jatin, do you know there are 6 angles? Yes, I know. And there are 2 hidden angles. They are supplementary and complementary angles. Do you know what is meant by supplementary angles? No, Sushant. Supplementary angles are the angles whose sum is correctly 180 degrees, and complementary angles are angles whose sum is correctly 90 degrees. You know 6 angles, Sushant? No. There are acute, right, reflex angle, full rotation angle, reflex angle. So right angle is exactly 90 degrees and acute is less than 90 degrees and more than 0 degrees. So obtuse is less than 180 and greater than 90 degrees. Reflex angle is more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Full rotation angle is exactly 360 degrees. Straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. Thank you.
Good morning, Trellis. This is Bindu studying in 6th grade.
This is Santi studying in 6th grade.
This is Shanmukapriya studying in 6th grade. Today we are going to tell you about integers. Let's start. Do you know what is meant by integers, Vanshi?
No, I don't know, Bindu. Can you please tell about it?
The integers are the whole number that can be positive, negative or 0. The examples of integers are minus 5, 11, minus 125, etc. Examples of non-integers are 1.23, 1 3 by 4, etc. Do you know who invented integers, Vanshi?
No, Bindu. Can you please tell?
The Thomas Dickens invented integers in 1571. Over to you, Tanvi.
Thank you, Bindu. Do you know why do integers are represented by letters? No, I don't. The notation set for the sets of integers comes from the German word "zahl," which means to count. They are the sets of integers comes from the German word "zahl," which means to count. There are 5 properties of integers. They are closure property,
Associative property,
commutative property, distributive property,
identity property.
These are the 5 properties. Over to you. Sir. He said that in the number line, 0 will be in the middle in the number line. It doesn't have any value. When we go to the right of number 0, the value of numbers increases. When we go to the left of 0, the value of numbers decreases. So here, did you know that? Why did we not write here minus 2 is there, sir? Why did we not write plus 7 and another? Because here, these are the whole numbers.
they have a correct value. So we can write +3, +2 and etc. Or else we can write it as this. Thank you.
The formulas of integers are plus into plus is equals to plus, minus into minus is equals to plus, minus into plus is equals to minus, plus into minus is equals to minus. Thank you.
खाने दो, क्या हुआ?
Good morning, please. This is from grade 6.
This is Siddharth from grade 6.
This is from grade 6. Today our project name is integer scale. Before telling about integer scale, let me tell about integers.
Integers will be having all negative numbers and positive numbers including 0.
Capital I or capital Z. Left side will be having negative numbers minus example of negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4. Right side will be having positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Whole numbers. Set of whole numbers are denoted by capital W, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Natural numbers. Set of natural numbers are denoted by capital N, like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on.
First you have to keep
Biggest number here and the smallest number here and fold it. First you have to keep one. First is the -1.
Good morning, Trellis. This is Hasita studying 6th grade in Trellis school. I am Amina.
Myself Varshita.
So today our topic is types of angles and parts of circles. Let's move to index.
Do you know what is meant by angle, sir? The space between two rays is known as angle. Do you know what are they? What are they? There are 7 angles. There are straight angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. Do you know what is meant by circle?
A circle is a thing that is looking like a ring.
Do you know what are the parts of circles?
There are radius, chord, sector, diameter, and segment. Let's move to types of angles.
Right angle. Thus, the right angle is an angle that is exactly equal to 90 degrees in measure. This is an example of right angle. Straight angle. A straight angle is an angle equal to 180 degrees in measure.
Acute angle. An angle which is lesser than 90 degrees is known as acute angle. Obtuse angle. An angle which is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees is known as obtuse angle.
Reflex angle. An angle that is more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. We can see this as well.
Parts of circles.
Diameter. Distance from one point of the circle through the center of the circle is known as diameter. This orange line is a diameter. Radius. The length of the line from the center to any point on its edge is known as diameter. Radius. This shaded part, blue shaded part is known as radius.
Sector. The of the circle is a region bounded by a angle is known as sector. This shaded part is known as sector.
Segment. A segment of a circle is the region that is bounded by an arc. You can see this pink color quadrant. A line segment connecting any 2 points from the circle. You can see this red color shapes.
Let us know about some fun facts. 0 is the only number that cannot be represented in the over here. How do you make six increments? We just have to remove S from and still we can the smallest number that can be exactly divided by all the numbers 1 to 10 is 2520. Thank you.
And you have to explain that. Please explain.
Good morning, Trellis. This is Purvika studying 6th grade. This is Mahalakshmi studying 6th grade.
This is Palaki studying in 6th grade.
So today we did our maths project. Our maths project name is data handling and types of data handling. You have any idea about data handling, sir?
Please explain. I don't have any idea.
So today we are going to explain about introduction, definition, types of data handling, tally mark table, pictograph and bar chart. Data handling. Data handling is a process of gathering, recording and presenting information in a way that is helpful to others. Definition of data handling. Several kinds of tables, figures or graphs consisting of numbers, figures and names and are used to organize the information in a way that is helpful to others. Now my friend Mahalakshmi will tell you.
Types of data handling. There are many types of data handling, sir, but today I'm going to tell only 3 types of data handling. There are tally marks table, pictograph, and bar graph. First one is tally marks table. It is a graphical representation of data denoted by vertical lines, means tally marks. The first 4 lines are marked vertically, and fifth one is marked diagonally, means across. The example of data tally marks table is the choice of food of each student as a part of the daily program can be easily understood by seeing this tally marks table. As I said that the first 4 lines are marked vertical and fifth one is marked diagonally, which means color. And my friend will carry on.
Okay.
Pictograph. A pictograph represents data through objects of pictures. Here you can see the example pictograph. How we can explain the pictograph is one pictograph is equals to 10 people, sir. You can identify by seeing this. There are 5 figures is 50. Okay. These shown as people who live in locality. Now my friend Mahalakshmi will tell you.
Next one is bar graph. In bar graph, numbers can be shown vertical or horizontal lines. Bar x-axis, y-axis, and body of the chart. In one axis we can see the years, and in another axis we can see the values. Example. By this example, we can easily count the number of students in a particular school or shown in this figure. As I said that in one line we can see the values, in another line we can see the years.
Okay, thank you.
Which type of data handling do you like?
So the final one, which you have explained, yeah.
Hi, sir, this is Krishna from 6th class. Hi, sir, this is Jyoti from 6th grade. So today our topic is types of angles. There are 6 angles. Do you know the names of the angles?
No.
And there are 2 hidden angles. My friend will tell you about their names. Reflex angle, right angle, rotation angle, right angle and obtuse angle. And there are 2 hidden angles. They are complementary angles and supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are the angles whose sum is correctly 180 degrees. In example, 160 degrees plus 20 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So it is a supplementary angle. And complementary angle is angles whose angle is correctly 90 degrees. Is 50 degrees plus 40 degrees is equals to 90 degrees. Okay. Reflection. Reflex angle is 180 degrees more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Straight angle. Straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. Full rotation angle is 360. Exactly 360. And acute angle is less than 90 degrees and more than 0 degrees.
What about right angle? It is exactly 90 degrees. Okay. And reflex angle? This is.
Means it may be like 190, 200 like that. Below 360.
It should be like more than 180 and less than 360.
So these are the models of them. So this is complementary angles. So what I have to, and this is acute angle, adjacent angle, reflex angle, and this is straight angle, right angle, complementary angle, and this is obtuse angle. So these are the same models of them.
Very good.
This is interesting from Nordic science.
It's a closed figure with 4 equal and 4. Sides and 6 corners. Triangle has 3 equal sides and 3 corners.
So what triangle is this? Good morning, ma'am. This is Vishnu from grade 6. This is Siddharth from grade 6. This is Rohit from grade 6. Today our project name is integer scale. Before telling about integer scale, let me tell about integers. Integers will be having all negative numbers and positive numbers including. Have you ever seen shapes in your
Spin. One. Go. Out. So where you use hexagons? Say some examples. Examples of circle.
Circle like carving, block.
Blocks will be there in a rectangle, right? Then square
And
shape.
some will be in circle.
No, in general, we go in nature, where it is like this, where it is rectangle, where it is square.
Farm field rings, the rings and square farm field. Even in the rings and not yes.
You learn, right, this topic, Sudha. If you go in nature or outside, you have to observe why this is in circle, why this is in square, why it's not in rectangle. Yeah? Why this is in rectangle, why it should not be in circle. So many things while you observe, like you came to know, suppose this building construction is there. Okay, based on dimension, this is constructed, square only, not rectangle. Rectangle it may not support. So all these things are not, you have to observe. See, whatever you are learning in the school, in the classroom, okay, this thing you should explore outside. Then only you will understand. Yeah? Two integers, okay?
Very interesting and very exhausting subjects also as people have shared this one, and very well done about this maths program. Very good, everything is fine.
Current of Jitesh Reddy. So firstly, I congratulate all kids here. So they did fantastic job. See, these kind of math projects or science projects this will help to kids to explore many things, and even whatever they did, if they see outside schools also, like they can explore the things naturally, and also they can understand any projects if they do it by hand and understand, and also they can remember their entire life. So these kind of projects and workshops like me, it will help to all the kids, and also thanks to Trellis school management and teachers and class teachers for supporting kids for all these activities. Thank you so much.
Good morning. As a part of Math Expo, our project is a fun game called Big Debate. This game is played by two players. The player who picks up the 13th token is the loser. We should take the tokens within a straight line. We should collect all the tokens, or we can collect a random number of tokens in a straight line. And finally, the player who picks up the 13th token is the loser. Good morning. My name is Radhika. My name is Shari. My name is Ashwardan. So, as a part of Math Expo, our topic is sum of exterior angle of a triangle is 360 degrees. So, let us go with procedure. First, we need to draw a triangle, extend each side. How to prove? We will get 3 extra angles. How to prove sum of extra angle of a triangle is 360? So, first we need to take angle 1 and we need to place it here, and next we need to take angle 2 and we need to place it here. Finally take angle 3 and we need to place it here. So, it forms a circle. So, circle is 360 degrees. We can prove that sum of extra angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. Thank you.
My name is Karthik. My name is Karthik.
Myself Mohit.
Myself Mohit.
Myself Ismail.
Today our topic is mathematicians. The first mathematician is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the first mathematician and astronomer of India. He was born in 478 AD. Aryabhatta has discovered the zero and place systems. Aryabhatta has died in 550 AD. Brahmagupta was the foremost Indian mathematician and astronomer.
Good morning, Trellis. This is Shrestha of grade 7 Trellis School. Today I am going to explain you about sum of interior angles of a triangle. We have triangle model here which has 40 degrees, 50 degrees and 90 degrees. We have to assume that 40 degrees as A, 50 degrees as B and 90 degrees as C. We have to add both 40 degrees and 50 degrees so that the 180 degrees will form.
Good morning, Trellis. This is Amrita. This is Purahina. And this is Dharashri. As a part of Math Expo, our topic is 3D set. Before going into 3D set, let us know what is meant by set diagram. A 3D set that can be visualized on a 2D surface by means of framework is known as a design.
What is meant by 2D shapes? In 2D shapes which has 2 dimensions is called 2D shapes. For example, square, rectangle and triangle.
Let us know what is meant by 3D shapes. The figure which has 3 dimensions is called 3D figure. The figure has length, breadth and height. The 3D figure is used in our daily life.
For example, cube, Rubik's cube, cuboid, notebook and notebook, bone, ice cream cone, etc.
If we pull this, it will form into a 3D shape. Morning, friends.
My name is Deeksha.
My name is Varsha.
My name is Ashwika.
My name is Pragati.
Today we are going to say about matchsticks.
On occasion of Srinivas Namrujan's birthday, we are celebrating Maths Day.
Our topic is fast multiplication, 3-digit number when tens place is 0. Aryabhatta, the famous Indian mathematician and astronomer, discovered 0. He was covered with range of topics such as extracting square roots and solving quadratic equations. So I am going to say one example. So we took a 403 and 205. So first we have to multiply ones place. 3 5s are 15. We have to write in this blank. And we have to multiply hundreds place. 4 2s are 8. Then next step, we have to do cross multiplication. 4 5s are 20. And 3 2s are 6. We have to add 20 and 6. That is equals to 26. So we have to write 26 in between these two numbers.
हो गया अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करो तुम देख के पढ़ रहे हो नहीं हो गया
me what is about Pythagorean theorem.
Pythagoras, a Greek philosopher and mathematician of 6th century BC, provided the proof for an important and useful properties of a rectangular triangle. Although the property was also known to people of other countries, including Indian mathematician Bodhana, it was named as Pythagoras theorem after him, as he was the first to discover it. So now my friend Akshay is explaining about Pythagoras.
Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the sum of the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of other two sides. Here, the longest side is the hypotenuse, as its opposite angle is 90 degrees. They are named perpendicularly base and hypotenuse. In each and every right angle triangle, this is the base, this is the perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. Now, my friend Shaya will explain you about the uses of Pythagoras theorem with an example.
We will read in our houses and read our frequency that are perpendicular. So in order to find the distance and the height further, we will use theorems and we can find. Theorems means Pythagorean theorem or any theorems. The simple basic formula of the Pythagorean theorem is equals to AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Here we have an example. If a ladder has to go up to 8 meters in a wall, it is 6 meters distance from the wall, the length of the ladder will be dash. So we can substitute this formula and we can solve the problem.
Good morning, Trellis. This is P. Charanpreet from grade 7A1 and this is my friend Sai Charan. So today we are going to do a project called Circle Challenge. So we need to make 20 triangles and 2 pentagons by using 41 and 81 centimeters thread. So now I am going to do a pentagon by using 41 centimeters thread. So now I done a pentagon by using 41 centimeters thread. Now I am going to do 20 triangles and one more pentagon. So now we found 10 triangles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 triangles we found here. So here is the 12th one, 13th one and 14th one here. So here is the 15th, 16th, 17th one, 18th one and 19th one and 21st one. So we found here 20 triangles and 2 pentagons by using 41 and 81 centimeters thread. Thank you.
And our project name is GeoBoard. GeoBoard is nothing but towards GeoBoard is nothing but geometrical shapes like triangles, squares and rectangles and etc. By which you can show any kind of shapes such as pyramids, triangles and alphabets, and 0 will not come accurately because it is a curved shape. It will come like in digital, in our clock, digital clock. And it is very useful to teachers because by this they can show the children that accurate shapes and they can understand very easily. By this we can show the shapes in accurate. By this we can show alphabets like A, B and even octagon also. And this is a octagon. It's A. Because it has the 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. And then.
Good morning, my name is Gagan Shishareddy. He is Gautam. Good morning, this is Gagan Shishareddy and he is Gautam. My name is Gagan, he is Gautam and he is Nikit. Gautam will tell how to play the game.
We will give you first these types of numbers. You have to solve the puzzle. With these numbers, you have to solve it. Want to get that A. Now my friend Likit will tell the game rules and how to play.
We will give only one chance. If you get 30, you can go to another level. There are 5 levels. We will give only 1 minute 30 seconds. If you read all correct, we will give chocolate.
Good morning, my name is Gagan. I am studying third grade in school. This is my friend's day and I start with my project day of the day.
So, can it be a date? I will find the day of the day. 2010. So, the date is 15. We should write as it is in this box.
Next, we should write the month code. Month code of 7. 0.
So, here we should write month code 0. And this is century, so we should write century code.
2000 to 2099 is 6.
So 6. And this is year. Year we should write as it is here.
To find the leap years, we should divide with 4.
So Because after 4 years, 1 leap year will come. So we should divide by 4. So it's 2. So now we should add these whole numbers. 16 plus 15 is 20, 31. 31 plus 2 is 33. 33. So 33 we should divide by 7. Because in 1 week, 7 days. So the answer is Thursday.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Lissy and these are my teammates Manvita and Sarastra. Today our topic is types of triangle. First of all, let us know what is a triangle. The triangle is a three-sided polygon with the 3 angles is called a triangle. There are 3 types of triangle. Let us discuss about it. The first type is scalar triangle. This is how scalar triangle looks like. All 3 sides are unequal and the angles are also unequal. Now let us discuss about isosceles triangle. Iso means two. The 2 sides of the triangle are equal and angles are opposite to the equal side are also equal. So now let us discuss about the equivalent triangle. This is how it's look. By the name itself, we all know that all sides are equal. Of each angle, it is in a 60 degrees. Sum of all the triangles is in a 180 degrees. Now let's know about acute angle triangle. So for this triangle, one angle must be acute, that is less than 90 degrees. This is how an acute angle triangle looks like. Good afternoon, I'm Kirtana Santoshi and these two are my team members. This is Joyce and this is Hansi. So today's our project work is on symmetry. First we'll know what is symmetry. If a figure or an object divided into 2 equal parts by a line is called symmetry. So there are 3 types of symmetry: reflection symmetry, point symmetry and rotatory symmetry. Reflection symmetry, where an object is divided into 2 equal halves by a line. The first half of the object can reflect the other half of the object when it is placed in front of a mirror and forms the real image of the object. It is called as reflection symmetry. Point symmetry, if an object can be divided into 2 equal halves by a line that passes straight through its center point, it is called as point symmetry. Rotatory symmetry, when an object is rotated, if its shape and size does not change when it is compared with before and after the rotation, it is called as rotatory symmetry. So coming to line of symmetry, a line of symmetry is a line that divides an object into 2 equal halves. There are 3 types of line of symmetry: vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry and diagonal line of symmetry. Vertical line of symmetry, an object is divided into 2 equal parts in a vertical way, then it is called as vertical line of symmetry. And horizontal line of symmetry, if an object is divided into 2 equal parts in a horizontal way, then it is called as horizontal line of symmetry. Then diagonal line of symmetry. Actually we are doing with some letters and one irregular shape so that we don't have diagonal line of symmetry. So now we are taking one irregular shape to show rotational symmetry. Now it is 90 degrees. It has no exact shape. 180 degrees, 1 rotational symmetry, 270 degrees, 360 degrees, and this has 2 rotational symmetries. So if we come to reflection symmetry, if we place a mirror here, so we can see that this is reflecting here, so that it has reflection symmetry and it has a vertical line of symmetry. And then comes another letter. It has horizontal reflection and vertical line of symmetry. And if we take this letter, we don't have any type of symmetry in this, and so that it is called as asymmetrical. So this is all about our symmetry. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning, Trellis. I'm Yeshua. Today I'm going to tell you about tangents to a circle. Basically, line and circles are having 3 conditions. They are first condition is the line does not touch the circle, and the second condition is the line touches the circle at only one point, and the third condition is the line passes through the circle. So today I'm going to explain you about the second condition, that is known as tangent. That means the line touches the circle at only one point. An infinite number of tangents can be drawn to a circle, but from a fixed point only 2 tangents can be drawn, and those 2 tangents drawn from a fixed point to a circle are always equal. So I am going to show it to you practically. So let's assume this as tangent A and this as tangent B. Here the tangent A is touching the circle at this point, so I am marking it. And the tangent B is touching the circle at this point. So if we can observe, the two tangents are of equal length, and we can also measure it with a scale. Here it measures 9 centimeters, and this tangent also measures 9 centimeters. Hence it is proved that the tangents drawn from a fixed point to a circle are always equal. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies. This is Keshanika here. Today I am going to explain about the central angle. Before explaining about the central angle, let me tell you about an arc, radius and a chord. The part of a circle is known as arc. This is a minor arc and this is a major arc. This is a minor arc and this is a major arc. It is known as a minor arc as it is less than half of the circle, and it is a major arc because it is more than half of the circle. The radius is the distance between the two points which is drawn from the center, and the chord is a line segment which is drawn from any 2 points of the circle, and the central angle is formed by an arc at the center. The central angle will be twice the angle formed by the chords from the end points of an arc. So when we measure the angle of the central angle, it shows 140 degrees. So it has to be exactly half of it when we measure it at the intersection point of the two chords. When we observe, it shows exactly 70 degrees. Hence it is proved that the central angle will be twice the angle formed by the two chords which are drawn from the end points of an arc. Hello everyone, I am just studying in 9th grade. Today I am going to prove the corresponding angles are equal. Before knowing about the corresponding angles, we have to know about the transversal. A line touching two or more points at a distinct point called transversal. And it has a special property that the angles are formed only in the parallel lines only. And the corresponding angles means a pair of one interior and one exterior angles of either side of transversal but not adjacent called corresponding angles. Here we can see when we move this straw, the angle is 80 degrees and the angle is 60 degrees. Hence the proved the corresponding angles are equal.
Good morning to all. Today we are telling about properties of a circle. The collection of points. The collection of points from equidistance from a fixed point is called circle. Chord. A line segment which joins two parts of a circle is known as chord.
The angle which forms 90 degrees is known as instrument. If we turn both the sides, it will form a rectangle. Radius. The distance between center of the circle to any point is known as radius. Cyclic quadrilateral. Sum of opposite things are 180 degrees. 180, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 180. Diameter. A chord passes through a center of a circle is known as diameter. Diameter is equals to radius into diameter. This is the diameter. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today we are here to explain about circle theorem. Circle is a collection of fixed points is known as circle. Line segment joining any point, any 2 points is called a chord. This is a arc. This is a part of circle. This is a major arc and this is a minor arc. These 3 circles called as a pro-circles. And the combination of arc and segment, chord is known as segment. And if the chord on this segment is more than half of the circle, it is major segment. And if it is less than the half circle, it is minor segment. Now we are proving about angles formed by the same segment are always equal. By taking this point to this, it's showing exactly 45 degrees. And if you extend this point to this, it is also showing 45 degrees. Here also it is showing 45 degrees. From this we can conclude that angles formed by the same segment are always equal.
Normal patching triangles. Ordered in 1974. He published the following.
Now let us not find forget. Now it is 8 square, that is 64. And 1 that is 16. And leave the 1 digit and multiply whole 8 and 2 because these are the digits. 4 8 that is 4 8 the digit. Leave the 1 digit and write 16. Now add these two numbers. Say that is 4 30 and there is 0. Like this.
3, start, go.
Good morning, Trellis. This is Shrestha studying in 6th grade in Trellis School. Good morning, Trellis. This is Niharika studying in 6th grade in Trellis School. Today our math.
We don't know what is square. We are thinking of the no.
Like